Guys, success is not about luck. It's all about hard work. Whatever you do today, even one push-up you do today, it's gonna shape your future. One page book to read every day, what you do, it will shape your future. And I'm making this video in my home, so I'm not going anywhere, just making some YouTube videos and learning sales. I believe it can happen, you know. You gotta just believe it, and work also. For now I'm just doing YouTube, and me and my brothers are together. He is a mechanic, car mechanic. We are just together. See you in my next video.